Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. iCloud signed in, permissions granted for camera and mic, and Touch ID or Face ID set. This ensures entries sync and stay private. Next, tap the plus button to create a new journal and give it a clear name because organization matters. Once the journal exists, make your first entry. Choose text or voice, add a photo if useful, and save. Make sure autosave is on. This prevents lost drafts if the app closes unexpectedly. Now you'll add content deliberately. Select a template or start blank, then write. Use tags and prompts to make future searches fast because retrieval is the point. If you need more context, attach photos, record audio, or sketch directly. Tap and hold to move blocks and reorder the narrative. Once you have multiple entries, create collections or folders, group by theme, month, or project. This keeps related notes together and makes long-term review efficient and painless. Finish by reviewing privacy and backups. Lock any sensitive journals, confirm Face ID or passcode works, and export important entries as PDF or text for external backup. Once done, perform a quick sweep, edit titles, add final tags, and confirm sync status. If something goes wrong, first toggle iCloud for the app, check available storage, and restart the app. This resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud as a last resort. This often restores syncing without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.